Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss in detail about the multiple choice questions based upon chemical bonding. Elements whose electronegativities are 0.8 and 3.0 form. So, if the electronegativity difference between the two atoms is greater than 1.7, then it results in the formation of an ionic bond. Here the electronegativity difference between the two atoms is 2.2, which is greater than 1.7, and hence always it results in the formation of ionic bond. So option A is the right answer. Which is ionic compound? So here HCl, CO2, SO2, these three compounds contains covalent bonds. So option B, that is sodium oxide, is an ionic compound. The compound possessing most strongly ionic nature is, so here coming to the options, strontium chloride, barium chloride, calcium chloride, cesium chloride. So all the four compounds are having the same anion. So we have to check the size of the cation. If the cation is having the large size, then it is favorable condition to form the strong ionic bond. So among strontium, barium, calcium and cesium, the cesium is having the large size, and hence option D, cesium chloride, will always result in the formation of strong ionic bond, and hence it is strongly ionic in nature. Which is expected to conduct electricity? So between ionic compounds and covalent compounds, ionic compounds are good conductors of electricity in the molten state. So in the given four options, diamond, sulfur contains covalent bond. So they do not conduct electricity. Coming to the third and fourth options, they are ionic compounds. Here option D, that is crystalline NaCl. So in the case of ionic compounds in the solid state, they do not conduct electricity due to the absence of free ions, and hence here option C, that is molten potassium chloride, will conduct electricity. Octet rule is not valid for the molecule. So coming to the given four options, CO2 means, so it is having linear structure and octet rule is completely filled. And coming to the water, here also water obeys the octet rule. Oxygen molecule also obeys the octet rule. And coming to the carbon monoxide, here this carbon monoxide violates the octet rule. So option D is the right answer. The compound which contain both ionic and covalent bond is, so especially methane contains covalent bond, hydrogen molecule contains covalent bond, KCl contains ionic bond, whereas KNO3 contains both ionic and covalent bonds, and hence option C, potassium nitrate, is the right option. Which is electron deficient compound? C2H6 means ethane. So octet is completely satisfied. So NH3 is also having octet configuration. ClO2 is also having octet configuration. So coming to the option C, boron trifluoride is having incomplete octet configuration, and hence it is the electron deficient compound. Which of the following molecule is covalent and shows expanded octet in its formation? So all the 4 compounds are covalent in nature. But coming to the structure D, chlorine trifluoride, here the chlorine atom contains 10 electrons and hence it is having expanded octet configuration. So option D is the right answer. Multiple covalent bonds exist in a molecule of. So here we have to consider the structural formula. Coming to the first option, fluorine means a single bond is present between the 2 fluorine atoms. Coming to the hydrogen molecule, here also a single bond is present. Coming to the option C, nitrogen molecule, it is formed through 3 covalent bonds. So nitrogen molecule contains multiple bonds. And coming to the option D, it is ethane. Again it contains all single bonds and hence option C, nitrogen molecule contains multiple bonds. The bonds in acetylene are. So we have to consider the structural formula of acetylene. CH triple bond CH. So 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds will be present. So here option C, that is 3 sigma and 2 pi bonds, is the right option. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.